What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button after watching this video. On this channel, we do motorcycle content, Corvette content, truck content, and a couple landscaping videos and how-to videos. I got the Cbr1000rr sitting right here, got the 750 sitting right here. Putting on a ram mount on the Cbr1000rr, excuse me. But showing you guys what I have on my 750. This is just a Amazon phone mount that I have on my 750. I have the same thing on my 1100. Just wanted to show you guys what this looks like mounted on my 750. I basically just use my windscreen bar to mount up this phone holder. It's very secure. I like this thing. I was going to get the same thing for the Repsol, but when I bought it, I found out and saw that the previous owner had left a ram mount, or rare ram handlebar mount that he had left on the bike. So all I had to do was go ahead, hit up Amazon, and buy the actual ram mount holder and the clamping piece that goes over the ball of the actual handlebar ram mount and the back of the ram mount holder for the actual cell phone, your actual cell phone. So I'm just going to put this on the bike and show you guys what it looks like. Only takes a couple seconds to put this on. I'm going to have my screw go out to the right side. So all you do is place that on the actual handlebar mount, and then you put this back ball on this top portion of the clamp mount. This rubber piece here is just an extra precaution for your phone that just rubber bands around the four corners of your phone. So you put that on there first around the middle slot, so that goes over the ball here and just lays on the back side. So the ball goes in this top hole, and then all you do is hold it in place where you want it, and then screw down your screw until it is tight and positioned to where you want it. So that's about good for me right there on where I want it. So now I'm going to tighten it down the rest of the way. And that's it, guys. Now my ram mount is all set to hold my phone. Yeah, looks pretty good. So one more thing I'm going to do probably later on is zip tie my clutch cable here to this other cable, or my throttle cable here, just so that it's out of the way of my dash at the bottom here where my lights come on. So that's it, guys. That is the ram mount installed on the 2015 Cbr1000rr. Thank you guys for watching. Appreciate it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and leave some comments down below. Appreciate it. Take care. Have a good rest of your day. Deuces.